How to change pin location on GrabFood. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the pin location on GrabFood. First, navigate to the Grab app on your phone. Now tap the All option on the home page to view more options. You can select the Food button here to be directed to the Food section. Scroll down the list to view the food items and select any. Next, select the custom options to make your order complete. Once you're done, tap the Add to Basket button. After that, view your basket and tap Home to add a location. You will see some locations already in this section, then tap the pen icon. The Edit section will pop up and hit Remove to delete this location. Otherwise, you can add a new location to this section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.